Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting family sharing ready. Ask the parent to be the family organizer and enable Apple Cash Family. Once done, create a child Apple ID inside family sharing. This gives you a managed account linked to the organizer. Make sure your iPhone is updated and that wallet is enabled. These are required. If wallet is off, go to Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and turn it on. This gets you into the first actionable step without delay. You accept the Apple Cash Family invitation. The parent adds you from their wallet app and sends an invite, then tap Accept on your device. Once accepted, you'll see an Apple Cash card in Wallet under your Apple ID. Configure controls, ask the parent to set spending limits and whether you need to request money for purchases. Make sure to enable notifications so you see transactions. This middle step turns the setup into a functioning, controlled account you can actually use. You can now use Apple Cash for purchases or to receive money via messages and wallet. Tap your Apple Cash card and pay wherever Apple Pay is accepted. If you need to move funds, ask the organizer to transfer or permit transfers to their bank. Minors can't add external bank accounts themselves. If something fails, first confirm family organizer settings, internet connection, and that both devices run compatible iOS. If issues persist, restart the device and recheck wallet permissions. Those steps resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.